Let's begin by getting you details of the Prime Minister's wishes on the occasion of Diwali to all Indians. He's wished that this festival of light bring happiness, prosperity and good fortune in everyone's life. So what's the Prime Minister's Diwali plan? Well, keeping up with this tradition of celebrating the festival of lights with our Jawans, Prime Minister Modi is expected to visit border areas of either Jammu and Kashmir or Ladakh to spend Diwali with our troops. Ever since he became Prime Minister in 2014, Modi's been having this practice of visiting troops deployed to border areas to ensure that they spend Deepavali in a way that boosts their morale because they're away from their families during this festival. The Prime Minister has been celebrating Diwali by spending time with soldiers in forward areas, and previously he's visited states like Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab and also the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir.
In 2014, in his very first year in office, Narendra Modi decided that his Diwali would be among soldiers guarding India's borders. That year, he made a surprise visit to the Siachen base camp, the world's highest battlefield, to celebrate the festival with Jawans posted in the harshest conditions.
देश के लोग आनंद और उत्साह के साथ दिवाली मना सके, इसलिए ऐसी दुर्गम परिस्थिति में अपने आप को खपा रहे हैं.
Seeing the joy of Jawans that a Prime Minister was visiting them on Diwali led to Modi making it a tradition. In 2015, donning an army cap, Prime Minister Modi spent Diwali at the Dograi War Memorial in Amritsar, a shrine to one of India's greatest military victory in the 1965 Indo-Pak War.
भारत की सेना, भारत के सैनिकों का चरित्र, भारत के वीरों का साहस, हमारी शिस्त, हमारा शौर्य, हमारा समर्पण, हमारे सपने, पूरा विश्व इसके लिए हमें बहुत आदर के साथ देखता है. भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की.
The next year, Modi celebrated the Festival of Lights with braves from the Indo-Tibetan Border Police, the Dogra Scouts and the army at Himachal Pradesh's Sumdo along the China border. The Prime Minister expressed gratitude to the soldiers.
मेरा भी मन करता है दिवाली अपनों के बीच मनाऊं, और जो अपने हैं उनके बीच आया हूं, और इसीलिए हंसते खेलते हुए दिवाली मनाने आया हूं.
It was 2017. Tensions between India and Pakistan were high following repeated ceasefire violations. Clad in an army jacket, Modi spent his Diwali among BSF troops in the Gurez Valley along the line of control.
जब मैं आप लोगों से हाथ मिलाता हूं तो आपको लगता होगा कि ये कोई फॉर्मेलिटी है. मिलाना पड़ता है. मेरे लिए फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं है. मुझे एकदम से ऊर्जा मिलती है आपसे हाथ मिलाता हूं.
In 2018, he spent his Diwali with Jawans of the Indian Army and ITBP in Harsil, Uttarakhand.
आप यहां रहकर के सीमाओं की सुरक्षा कर रहे हैं. ये सिर्फ धरती के किसी हिस्से की सुरक्षा नहीं, ये 125 करोड़ देशवासियों की सुरक्षा है. ये 125 करोड़ देशवासियों के सपनों की सुरक्षा है। ये 125 करोड़ देशवासियों के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए आपकी तपस्या है।
Months after an astounding victory in Lok Sabha for the second time, Prime Minister Modi marked his Diwali celebrations with jawans in the Rajouri sector of Jammu and Kashmir.
कि मैं भी दिवाली मेरे परिवारजनों के बीच में मनाऊं और इसीलिए आज दिवाली मनाने के लिए मेरे परिवारजनों के बीच आया हूं। आप ही मेरा परिवार है।
The Diwali celebrations in Jaisalmer during the pandemic was a special one as the Prime Minister rode atop an Arjun tank during his visit to the Longewala post. Modi's date with Jawans every Diwali is not only a huge morale booster for the men on the frontier, but also a gesture that the Prime Minister is with them on a day when they miss their families and home the most. Bureau Report, India Today.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
So this year too, the Prime Minister is going to be celebrating Diwali with our forces, and in all likelihood, he's going to be in Rajouri sector. Sunilji Bhatt is joining us live from Nowshera in Rajouri. Sunilji, good morning. A very happy Diwali to you and your family. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be there shortly, is what we're hearing. What really is the plan?
Akshita, behind me you can see that there is chopper movement. Choppers are hovering over the brigade headquarters here in Nowshera, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to land at any point of time here. So preparations are on, final touches are being given, and you can see that there is troop deployment outside the gate of the brigade headquarters here in Nowshera sector of Rajouri district. What we are learning from our sources is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to meet the Jawans. He is going, like every year, he is going to extend his good wishes to the brave hearts who are deployed here near the line of control, and he's also going to lay a wreath at the Martyrs Memorial, which is located inside the brigade headquarters here in Nowshera sector. So, Akshita, it is now a tradition that since 2014, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi assumed the office, he has been visiting the Jawans on the auspicious occasion of Deepavali every year. And this year is no different. This year also, today also, he is going to meet the Jawans at the Nowshera sector in Rajouri district, which is located near the line of control. And this visit assumes great significance because in the recent past we have seen that anti-terror operations have been taking place both in Rajouri as well as in Poonch districts. Unfortunately, we have lost 9 of our brave hearts in these anti-terror operations. So now Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Jawans in Rajouri district. So he's trying to boost the morale of the Jawans. These Jawans which you are seeing right now, they are from different parts of the country. They are deployed here. And today the entire nation is celebrating the festival of lights, Deepavali. But these Jawans are away from their families. They are guarding our frontiers. So they are making sacrifice of their happiness. And if today we are able to celebrate Deepavali peacefully in our homes, it's because of the sacrifices which are made by brave hearts like these. And right now also, Akshita, you can see that there is, a chopper movement here. Choppers are hovering over the area, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to land at any point of time. Final touches are being given, and what we have learned from our sources is that Prime Minister Modi will also visit the forward locations. He is going to visit the forward posts near the line of control. So it's a special gesture from Prime Minister Modi. This has been happening since 2014, since Prime Minister Modi assumed the office, whether it's Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab. He has been visiting the border states. He has been boosting the morale of the Jawans. And today he is visiting Jammu and Kashmir. He is visiting Nowshera sector in Rajouri district. And as I said, that this assumes great significance because in the recent past, unfortunately, we have lost 9 of our brave hearts in this particular area. So anti-terror operations are still on in the forest belt of Rajouri and Poonch district. So it's a way of Prime Minister Modi to boost the morale of the Jawans, to keep their spirits up. And today, on the auspicious occasion of Deepavali, when everybody is celebrating this festival at their homes, our brave hearts are deployed at the line of control to ensure that enemy doesn't resort to any kind of misadventure.
And
Akshita,
this is the
back to
Prime
you.
Minister's way of saying thanks on behalf of the entire nation to our Jawans to ensure that we can continue to celebrate Diwali while they guard our borders. Any moment now, the Prime Minister is expected there where Sunilji is standing in Nowshera. So Sunilji, we'll keep coming across to you for the latest updates.